Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Throw Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song.
In a town so bright, with flowers in bloom, lived a boy named Bobby, with blue feet that zoom. His toes were like skies on a sunny day, but he hid them in socks, kept the stares at bay. Oh, how I wish to be big and strong, like the sharks in the ocean where I feel I belong. But my blue feet are different, they make me feel shy. So I wear my socks tight and let out a sigh. In gym class one day, his heart raced with fear. "Take off your shoes," said Coach Johnson near. But Bobby just froze with a frown on his face. "I can't show my blue feet, I'll hide in this place." In gym class one day, his heart raced with fear. "Take off your shoes," said Coach Johnson near. But Bobby just froze with a frown on his face. "I can't show my blue feet, I'll hide in this place." His mom had a plan, a sock party bright, with colorful pairs, a dazzling sight. "Invite all your friends, let them know. We'll celebrate uniqueness, let your true colors show." He asked Mr. Crab, but he shook his claw. "No need for socks here, I dig with my paw." Then to the elephants resting in shade, "No socks for us, our ears won't be swayed, ain't we swayed?" Next came the hedgehog, all prickly and wise. "My quills keep me safe, no socks for disguise." Then Bobby asked Giraffe, so tall and so grand, "My neck is my secret, socks aren't in demand." Then Fox with its tail, so fluffy and bright, "I'm cozy without socks, my tail feels just right." Feeling sad, Bobby walked through the town, when a zebra called out, "Let's turn that frown down. Your blue feet are lovely, so let's make a cheer, celebrate our differences, all gathered here." So Bobby took off his socks with a smile, and the town came together, all dancing style. With laughter and joy, the party took flight. Each friend wore his socks, oh what a delight. Bobby learned then, as the sun set so low, his blue feet were treasures, not just for show. So embrace your own colors, let them shine bright, for each little quirk makes the world feel just right. With kindness and joy, let your true self be seen, just like Bobby.